This wigs, like, we just literally throw it on and out. Boom, boom, boom. Hola YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome to the crazy family. And if you already been here, you tú sabes que tú eres parte de la familia, that means you already know you're part of the family. Today's video, I am excited because I haven't been excited about makeup in a long time. There's certain things that come out here and there, and I'd be like, ooh, you're cute, whatever. But today I received this box by MAC, and it's the new Powder Kiss lipstick, and it kind of got my attention. Let me give you a little backstory before we even start swatching. This video is not sponsored, by the way. Okay, just clarify. Basically, MAC was one of the brands that made me fall in love with makeup. Like, I remember when I was dreaming of becoming a MAC girl, and then I did it, and I was a MAC girl for 4 years. So MAC girl, proud MAC girl, 4 years. And basically, I haven't been excited about no collection that MAC came out with. The last one that I was excited about, I think it was with Patrick Star. I think that was amazing. Other than that, everything else, I'm just like, I don't know where MAC is going, what's going on, because MAC used to be the ish. Every girl dreamed of becoming a MAC girl. That was like the thing. So when I saw this, it kind of got me excited. I don't have no idea why. And I thought it was one of those videos that I did before of like swatching, like, MAC. You know, my little face on the you know, my little face on the thumbnail, confused, like powder lipsticks. So that's what I'm going to give you guys. I'm going to try them on to see, because MAC is one of my favorite lipsticks. They're my favorite lipstick brand, but other lipsticks came along, and then I'm like, okay, I like this one, and I kind of forget about MAC. So I'm kind of excited to give these lipsticks a try and swatch them for you guys and see if they're really powder. I doubt it, but they look cute from the outside. They give you like a matte little finish. Like, look how cute. I'm excited. For some reason, I'm like, I saw this and I got so excited. It's weird. So, yeah, let's get to swatching. By the way, the lipstick that I have on right now is by Bobbi Brown. Everything is by Bobbi Brown. This video should be up before or after. I'm not sure. If it's up before, I'll put the link below if you guys want to see how I created this look, because it's beautiful. It's all Bobbi Brown. If it's not, keep on the lookout because it's coming out. All right, so let's get to swatching. Let me get this situation off. Okay, the first color we're gonna start with, this is the Impulse. Oh, this looks yummy. Look at this. And it does look powdery. Oh my gosh, don't pay attention to my nails. Right, I have bigger things to worry about than my nails. Okay, so let's put this one on to see how it goes on. And I doubt it it's gonna go like powder, but we're gonna see. Here we go. Oh my gosh, it goes on like powder. It feels powdery. Oh, it has the smell of MAC lipsticks, the vanilla scent. It just literally glides on. Oh, it has a sweet taste too. It feels very lightweight on the lips. And I love it. She's cute. How do you feel about this one? Next one is gonna be, ooh, this is bright. This is bright. Look how nice that looks. Oh my gosh, this is in the color Lasting Passion. We're gonna see what's up. Oh, that's beautiful. I would recommend all of them to use it with a lip liner, because I noticed that they feel very thin on the lips. They don't feel heavy at all. So if you line your lips really, really good and go on top of this, it will be such a pretty situation. It's not powder. It just has a little bit of sheen on it. But they feel very lightweight, and I'm not mad at it. When I wear this color, yeah, with a lip liner, I like it. Next. All right, this one is called Devoted to Chill. It has to be. Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is cute. Like a, okay, focus camera. Like a rusty red, like fall situation. Give it to me. All right, let's see. Oh, yeah. And I'm not lighting my lips perfect because I have to change to 15 more colors. So I'm just kind of putting it on to show you guys how the color goes off. This one's pretty. I will lip liner them all because they do need lip liner for them to have more of a payoff, more impact. But they feel good in the lips. This is cute. How do you feel about this one? It's cute. Next. All right, let's see the next one. Ooh, this one looks like Play-Doh, like the pink Play-Doh. Look at that. Come on, focus. Look at that. put this one on. Oh yeah, with a banging lip liner on. Ha 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 ha. They do look more brighter on the tube than they do on the lips though, but they gone very sheer. I like that one. It's crazy. I'm getting into pink lips again. I used to not be into pink. Like Forever Nudes would be like my heart, but pinks are, I'm starting to fall in love with them again. Like the hot pinks, they're just so pretty. They feel sweet too. Taste sweet. All right, next. Okay. Ooh, this is yummy. Look at this. Wait a minute. It's like a nudie pink with a cork lip liner action. You guys already know what's up. Irisbeilin concussion 1-1. Okay, there's the. Oh, that's like a nude pink cork lip liner. Hi, how are you? They legit look like Play-Doh. Okay, colors like this will make you look how would I done it already? But let's level it out with a cork to see what's up. Oh, that's pretty. With a little lip gloss on top though, because you could see, I'm gonna get a little closer, you could see like the crackage, and I don't like that. I like it, but with a lip gloss on top, not alone, because alone will look, you see that in the middle? I don't like that. But the color is beautiful. It just, I love pinks like this. All right. Ooh, this one is Play-Doh action too. It's like the same, it's like the sister. Come on, focus. Come on. This is like the sister of the other one. It's pinkish, but a little darker. Let's see what's happening. We also gonna put a cork on it too. Oh yeah, this is like really nude, like casket ready. Yeah, this one como que like, no me gusta, no me gusta, no me gusta. Ew, no, where's the cork? Where's cork? So I could save the date. I feel. You guys see like the crackish in here? I hate that. I hate when that happens. Like, butthole lips. Don't like it. Don't like it at all. Lip liner with this. Are you guys ready for this? Mira esta vaina. Look at that. Oh my god. You guys, don't look at my fingers. My fingers look like homeless. But this is so beautiful. This is like, this screams fall. All right, let's put this on. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, let's see. This is beautiful. With the right lip liner, like I said, we'll be popping. I love that. Next. All right, next. Oh, this is gonna look crazy. But if you're like lighter, this might look yummy on you. This is nude. This is like a desnudito. Oh. I'm just gonna put it on for you guys so you guys can see, but I'm not even gonna line it because I already know I'm not gonna like it. It's white. All right, next. Surprise, surprise. Let's see. Orangey tone, very Halloween-y situation. Ooh, I love this. Like I say, with a perfect lip liner, banging. Oh yeah, honey, good thing. Oh, this is pretty. This is called Style Shook. Are you shook? Cause I'm shooketh. This is cute. I love this. I might wear this tomorrow. This is so cute. With the right lip liner, like I said. This is cute. Cute. I like it. All right, next color. Sultriness. Let's see. Okay, she's like a cute pinky. She's like a baby pink. Like a straight up baby pink. Cork lip liner, of course, with some lip gloss. Because she's light, you know? Ooh, I haven't worn pink like this in a long time, and I kind of like it. All right. I like her. She's cute. Lip gloss on top, of course. Sultriness, lip gloss on top, and we poppin'. She's cute. All right. Next is a little tame. What do we think with this one? A little tame. Oh, she's pretty. Look how powdery she is. You see that reflect powdery? She's like a little tame. She's cute. I like her a lot. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's go at it. This one with a cute lip liner, like I said. Oh yeah, she's cute. Ugh. I like her. Oh, I love this one. This one makes me feel like como que soy santita. Like, hi. She's so cute. I like her. How many times have I say that, guys? I say that a lot of times, but I love her. I'm falling in love with MAC lipsticks again. I needed this excitement. I need to fall in love with makeup again. It's so hard because we receive so many things, and when we get new things, we're like, oh, we've already seen this. But there's just certain things that we're like it makes your heart beat, and this is making my heart beat. Literally. So pretty. Okay, this one is Best of Me. Are you ready for Best of Me? No. No. White. I don't think this is the best of me. I'm just gonna swatch in my hand so you can see, because I'm not even gonna waste my lip. My lips already feel hurt. Alright, ambulance, go away. Keep going. Let me swipe it. Yeah, como que like, no. What is this? Let me look at that. Alright, this one is Mandarin Zero. Mandarin Zero. Let's see. Oh, she's like a cute dark orange pinkish situation. She's cute, but I don't think that I'm gonna like her. Let's see. Oh, I do like her. Okay. I will wear her, but I would not reach out for her. I'd be like, oh, I'm gonna throw this one on. It's kind of like that lipstick, but she's pretty. She's bad. Oh no, she's not bad. She's cute. Yeah. All right. This one is called Mull It Over. Mull It Over. Are you ready? I think this is gonna be one of my favorites. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. Oh my gosh. She's a Mari nudie situation, like newborn. Look how beautiful. Just put her on, man. What if she's ugly when I put her on? Let's see. Oh no, honey, she's cute. Okay. Oh, this is my favorite. Oh, Mull It Over though. Mull It Over. She bad. She bad. She bad. She bad. She's cute. Oh, I like her. I like her a lot. I think this is my favorite of all. Mull It Over took the cake. She took it. She took it and she ran with that. All right, two more. This one is called Shocking Revelation. Are you ready for Shocking Revelation? Oh, she's a red, honey. It's a red pinkish. Oh, she's a red pinkish. Let's see what's up. Oh, she's like a, yes, she's cute. With a right lip liner. Okay. She's cute. I would be for like a special occasion. She would be really, really pretty. But she's cute. I like her. This lipsticks really made my day. I don't know. This is like the littlest thing that made my day. All right. Last one. Let's see what's up. Last one. This has to be like beautiful. Okay. Hopefully it's not a white color again. This one's called My Tweety. All right, my Tweety. She's beautiful. Peachy nude. Peachy nude. Peachy nude. With cork lip liner and a gloss on top. Yeah. I'm so excited. I haven't been excited about lipsticks in a long time. Oh my god. Are we ready, you guys? Are we ready? Cork lip liner, of course, and a lip gloss on top. It's okay. We look a little powdered on it right now, but let me transform her. Wait a minute. Let me give it some love right quick. Clean up this. Let's see. She's so pretty. Oh, I have a bunch of favorites. I thought that I was going to be like I didn't care for it, but they're so freaking pretty. All right, guys, so this is the end of all of them. Hopefully I have lips tomorrow. I decided to add on Pam McGrath Lush lip gloss on top. Look at it. This is like an Irisbeilin concoction. Totally down my alley. I love it. I don't know why I was so excited to swatch these lipsticks. They really excite me. Maybe because it says powder or something different that I haven't tried. And to tell you the truth, when I was going to try them, I was like, they're not going to feel like no damn powder. They're going to be the same thing. They're just trying to do a little gimmicky. But they weren't. Like, I was excited by trying all of them. I don't know. This is how I want to feel when I try makeup on. Like, excited. A lot of stuff don't make me excited anymore. And this did. I don't have no idea why. Maybe the MAC girl in me came out and I was like, oh, let's fall in love with them again. I don't have no idea why. But yes, guys, I'm going to list them live, but I'm going to list all the products. I'm going to list all the lip colors down below. I know that I always say that I'm going to list things below and I never do. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. I legit forget. And then when I look back, I'm like, oh my gosh, I didn't list them. Because when I post the video, it goes live. I'm like, it's live. It's live. And I forgot. This time I'm going to do it. I promise. I promise. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to turn your notification bell because YouTube been playing me. They don't show my videos to my subscriber. And it kind of hurt my feelings. But it is what it is. I can't change it. So I'm just going to keep on giving you guys more videos. Working more for you guys because I love doing this. I want to feel inspired again. I want makeup to excite me the way that it used to. And yeah, this video kind of took me there. So that made me really happy. Like I said, thank you for watching. Comment below and tell me which one's your favorite lipstick. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao. Besitos.